Day Trading Strategies for Beginners. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Next Dollar, your trusted place to learn how to make money online in a smart and realistic way. In today's video, we're talking about day trading, what it is, how it works, and the best beginner strategies you can use to get started without blowing up your account. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and like this video so you never miss our easy money-making ideas. Section 1. What is day trading? So let's start with the basics. Day trading means buying and selling financial instruments like stocks, crypto, or forex within the same trading day, sometimes even within minutes or hours. The goal? Profit from small price movements by entering and exiting positions quickly. Unlike long-term investing, you're not holding these assets for weeks or years. You're just taking advantage of daily price fluctuations. Section 2. Who should consider day trading? Day trading is not for everyone. If you love analyzing charts, making quick decisions, and you can manage your emotions, then this could be a fit for you. But remember, it's risky, so you should never trade with money you can't afford to lose. Section 3. Tools you need to start. Before you start, you'll need a trusted broker with low fees, a fast internet connection, seconds matter, a reliable trading platform like MetaTrader, Thinkorswim, or TradingView for chart analysis, a risk management plan. Start with a demo account first. This lets you practice with fake money before risking real cash. Section 4. Top day trading strategies. Let's talk about 4 beginner-friendly day trading strategies you can try. 1. Scalping. You enter and exit trades in seconds or minutes. You're hunting for tiny profits, but doing it multiple times a day. 2. Momentum. Trading. You find stocks that are moving strongly in one direction with high volume, and you ride that trend for quick gains. 3. Pullback trading. You look for an asset that's trending up or down, then wait for a slight pullback against the trend to enter at a better price. 4. Breakout trading. You spot a clear support or resistance level. When the price breaks through, you enter a trade in the direction of the breakout. Section 5. Risk management. Most beginners fail because they don't manage risk. Remember, never risk more than 1 to 2% of your trading capital on a single trade. Use stop-loss orders to limit losses. Keep a trading journal, write down every trade you take, why you took it, and what you learned. Section 6. Tips for staying consistent. Start small, don't rush in with big money. Test your strategy with small amounts. Stick to your plan, don't chase losses. Keep learning. The market changes every day. Keep improving your skills. That's it for today's day trading strategies for beginners video. If you got value from this, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Next Dollar, and tell me in the comments. Which strategy will you try first?